We are going to learn how to quickly install MetaMask. MetaMask is basically your connection to the Ethereum blockchain. So it makes your Chrome browser into a Ethereum browser. So let's install MetaMask. So the first thing we have to do is open up Chrome, type in metamask.io, click on download, install MetaMask for Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension, so now we wait for it to pop up. Okay, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. We are happy to see you. Get started. Now after setting up your MetaMask wallet, you'll be given a seed phrase, which is kind of like your backup password. The seed phrase can restore all your accounts. So in the future, if you lose your laptop, you can regain access to your accounts using the seed phrase. But since we're installing MetaMask for the first time, we will click on create a wallet. MetaMask never collects keys, addresses, transactions, balances, hashes, or any personal information. That means whatever private keys, which are your passwords for MetaMask, your Ethereum accounts, will never leave your computer or your local device, whatever you're using. It never takes your full IP address, so it's anonymous, and never sells your data for profit. So they don't really have much data, so I don't know how they're gonna sell it anyway. Click on I agree. Okay, now we have to set a password. So let's set our password. Create. Okay, so now we will be shown our secret backup phase. This shouldn't be shown to anyone. You should keep it with you. You should write it down on a piece of paper, or like this said, in something like 1Password, password manager. I'll just see what mine are. So I'll take this and I'll copy paste it somewhere for now. Next. Okay, so over here you should see your seed phrase in no particular order. You just have to click on them in the correct order. MetaMask basically is assuring that you have it correctly and there shouldn't be any issues in the future. So I'll just So once we're done, we'll click on confirm. Save up your backup in multiple places. Don't share it with anyone. Don't share it with anyone. All done. Okay, so now we can see the account name, which is account number 1, how much ether we have, our address. So if we click on details and I click on this pen, I can just enter my name. Click on deposit to deposit ether, which I'll show you how to do on my next video. And we can see MetaMask at the top right over here. So let's exit this tab and click on it. So if you click on this profile circle on the top right, you can create another account. So if you click on create, it will just create another account, or you can go to import and add a private key of an existing account that you have. So this private key account which will be added will not be stored in your seed phrase or the backup phrase. So this private key would have to be saved separately. Let's click on import. Yeah, so this is my account number 2, and I can switch over here to account number 1. And yeah, that's basically it. Next time I'll teach you how to deposit ether into your MetaMask wallet, how to send it somewhere else, and how to buy it using real money. That's it. So whenever you add an account using your private key, who the hell is drilling, man? Who the hell is drilling?